The classroom has more tech than ever, engaging students with interactive lessons right at their fingertips. The new Dynabook E11 laptops are designed to elevate K-12 education and are equipped with all the tools students need to excel in the modern classroom. Compact and easy to carry, these laptops are reinforced with a drop-tested design, protective rubber bumpers, mechanically anchored keys, and a spill-resistant keyboard. Dynabook E11 laptops aren't just tough, they're built with advanced technology inside and out. Thanks to an ultra-clear webcam, stereo speakers, and noise-suppressing dual microphones, everyone can be clearly seen and heard, making seamless collaboration possible anywhere. These models empower students with Windows 11 Pro education and Microsoft Office 365, while giving them access to powerful AI tools like Microsoft Copilot. These AI-compatible laptops can be configured using Microsoft Autopilot to simplify deployment. This series features a convertible 2-in-1 form factor mode with multi-touch functionality, providing a tablet experience students love. And the new Active Pen is more than a humble stylus. It detects the angle it's held, creating natural-feeling control over writing and drawing. When the lesson is finished, return it to the rechargeable pen garage on the laptop for safekeeping. Dynabook strives to help students get the most out of their education while pushing the mobile computing landscape forward. The Dynabook E11 series can help your students learn without limits in a simply smarter classroom.